In this video, I'm going to share the real deal on plumbing equipment and tools you need to get your home projects done right without any stress or headaches. When you're dealing with plumbing, having the right gear is a total game changer, so knowing what to grab and how to use it makes all the difference. First off, always start with a good pipe wrench, because it's your best friend for gripping and turning pipes without messing them up. Next, a basin wrench is clutch for those tight spots under sinks where your hands just can't reach. Trust me, it saves a ton of frustration. Don't forget a plumber's tape, also called Teflon tape, which seals pipe threads and stops leaks, and it's super cheap and easy to use. A pipe cutter is way better than a hacksaw for clean cuts on copper or plastic pipes, making your job smoother. Keep a plunger handy because clogged drains are the most annoying thing ever, and sometimes that's all you need to fix the problem. Also, invest in a drain snake or auger. It's perfect for clearing out stubborn blockages deep in your pipes. Gloves and safety glasses are not just extras, they keep you safe from nasty chemicals and sharp bits. Lastly, have a bucket and some rags nearby because spills happen and you want to keep things tidy. One of the biggest mistakes I see is folks trying to force pipes or fittings without the right tools, which usually ends in leaks or broken parts. Just chill and use the right wrench or cutter. Another common issue is skipping the plumber's tape on threaded connections. It sounds small but can cause major leaks down the line if you don't seal properly. A third one is ignoring safety gear like gloves or goggles. It might feel like overkill, but getting chemicals or metal shards in your eyes or on your skin is no joke, so don't skip that step. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it hooks up homeowners with trustworthy local contractors who know their stuff and get the job done right. Plus, if you're a contractor looking for work, it's a solid way to connect with people who need your skills without wasting time chasing leads. If you want your plumbing work to go smooth, just stick to using the right tools, follow these tips I gave you, and don't rush through any steps. That way you avoid headaches and keep your pipes happy.